Hey everyone, how you doing? I was just watching my channel. He was talking about food prices and people like how expensive meat is, and it is. It's very expensive. Good beef, and people are getting like really crappy meat and stuff. And I was just gonna kind of show y'all what we do to kind of. I mean, we got these two kids now, 8 and 9, and I was going to kind of show you what I did to, let's see what we got here. Okay. And it makes it taste better. Okay. So, and then we got this here too. And these are real good grilled. All right. But I didn't grill any of these last night. But, to kind of supplement the meat here. Because, basically everyone's going to have to start eating chicken, more or less. And that's what sucks. But here's what I did to kind of, and the children kind of tend to like it when it's kind of cooked on the grill, even if it's vegetables. But this stuff's inexpensive, and people need this stuff. But here's a couple of vegetables that I grill, and it makes it taste a lot better. This is a sweet potato, and they taste. You like cut them in half, and you put the cut in face down. I wrap it in foil. I probably because it gets so soft. And but these are really good with a little butter and brown sugar. And I actually cook these squash whole, and they're soft, and they get the smoky flavor in them. And you can like we're gonna chop these up tonight and eat these. And then I got asparagus that I put on the grill, and these tomatoes. You put these are all nice and soft, but you put those in the microwave and heat them up, and they're real soft. And you just kind of cut them up with your fork or something, and just put a little salt and a little pepper on. It's very delicious, and it's just the smoke makes them taste good. And so, here's a zucchini, and they're soft, and I cooked them fully, just whole, just on a grill with just heat, and just cooked them. And then you just cut them up, and you got like 3 vegetables that you can cook. So we could use this. We could cook some rice and eat these vegetables. We got sausage too. We got sausage for our protein tonight. And if you're not done with these, if you don't eat them all, you can just just freeze them. My wife likes the asparagus, and so she'll probably eat all of those. But I mean, these are this is what you have to do to combat the meat prices, and make your kids start eating veggies, man. It's healthy for them, I'm like pushing 60, man, and I have to eat this kind of stuff. And I eat veggies, and everyone says, well, you look young and stuff. But that's the truth of the matter. It'll keep you young if you start eating your veggies. But you get some of those gourmet chicken wings at your store, and the children like those too. But they like the sausage. And avocados are expensive, but when they get put on the shelf, they only put them up there so long, and then they turn it into guacamole. But I want to show y'all something else that you can get, and this is sliced ginger, and that's a diet aid, man. So, well, y'all take care. God bless.